Imagine it's Monday morning, you come to work, you haven't had time to have the first cup of coffee. You log on to the database to carry out this very important task that you must do every Monday morning. You run your procedure and boom, you hit an error. What do? Well, some of you have found an alternate support channel. You go to Twitter or other social media and you shout out loudly, hoping to attract the attention of a product manager. That is, of course, okay. We are there to help you. But the proper way of reporting an error is to go to My Oracle Support and create a service request. As soon as you hit submit on the service request, our automation tool will start to process your service request. It'll look at the description you've provided. It'll look at stack trace, dump files, alert log, and so forth, and try to match it with all the other things we have in our databases. If there is a match, we can perhaps already guide you to an existing bug or an existing patch, and you can sort out your problem pretty fast. The automation tool is there to help you. In percent, how many service requests do you think that the automation tool can solve within 1 day? So without a human looking at it at all, just the automation tool finding the right solution for you. The number is actually 60%, which is quite good, I think. 60% of the service requests are solved without any human intervention. The automation tool can find a solution for you. I know that the automation tool is not perfect. I know that sometimes it goes into a crazy spin asking for the same information over and over again. I know it sometimes asks for completely irrelevant information, but please, when it do so, remember that it does actually add a lot of benefit. And please also know that we are constantly working on improving the automation. But sometimes you just want to talk to a human being. I fully understand. In our case, this Monday morning, the support engineer together with you determines that you have now hit a new issue. So the support engineer will create an entry in our bug database, a new bug. Now, this is where you can help yourself. You can help us help you. When you create the service request, make a clear description of the problem. And please do remember that the support engineer and later on the developer, they don't know anything about your environment. They don't know anything about your database. They don't know anything about your business. You need to tell us upfront in a clear description what the problem is and how it impacts you. You can also attach as much diagnostic information as you can. You can use the alert log, you can use the auto upgrade zip option, or AuraCheck and ExitCheck has functionality to compile all the diagnostic information into one package that you can attach as well. At best, you create a reproducible test case for us that we can take in-house and run as well. The best thing, of course, is if the test case can run on a vanilla database. But sometimes, if you need data, try to create it artificially, or as a last resort, use Datapump to provide the information for us for the test case. If you're running on an older release update, you can also try in a test environment to apply the latest release update to see if that solves your issue. Also, if there's a newer release of Oracle Database, again in a test environment, you can quickly upgrade it. We know that auto upgrade made upgrades so much easier. So try to upgrade a test environment and see if the issue is solved there. If we know that an issue is solved in a later release update or release, it makes it easier for the support engineer to fix what exactly is hitting you. When the bug has been created, the support engineer will tell you the bug number. You can search on the bug number in My Oracle Support and it'll give you the bug page. Here you can see some of the information which we have recorded in our bug database. Then sometimes I know that your specific issue doesn't get the attention and the love that it truly requires or that it truly deserves. If that is the case, again, you can use Twitter or other social media to shout out loudly, and hopefully there's someone listening to you. But the proper way is actually to put in a note in the service request and then raise the severity. Then you can pick up the phone and call the support hub and then ask for an escalation of your specific issue.